हाय, अगर आप अपने बच्चों को घर बैठे इजीली इंग्लिश रीडिंग सिखाना चाहते हैं तो आज ही एंड्रॉयड ऐप फोनिक सर्कल प्रो प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कीजिए। इससे काफ़ी बच्चों ने आसानी से घर बैठे इंग्लिश रीडिंग सीख गए हैं। तो आइए देखिए कैसे बच्चे रीड कर रहे हैं।
That is a red pot. The puppet sat on my lap. All, tall, call, hall, wall, ball, fall. And they would. The children ate their breakfast quickly. Mother told them to make sandwiches for themselves, to make small chocolate cake for chicken. One day, a nut fell on chicken. Ouch! The sky.
So here you can see two icons. You can download Phonics Circle Pro and Phonics Circle Test. When you download Phonics Circle Pro, you will see this V2 written there. So when you buy Phonics Circle Pro, you get Phonics Circle Test for free. We'll see how Phonics Circle Pro works. Just click on here. This is how the app opens. And I'll show you how two-letter words work. Just click here. This is how the buttons. Just click on alphabet sounds. You can turn your mobile, but I cannot turn because I'm taking video.
Hi kids, I am your Rosie teacher. We will have fun now to learn alphabets. Yay!
And bat.
So this is how you can
Cat.
see. You can download and check this full
Dog.
video.
Egg.
And I'll show you another thing. Elephant test.
Let's start reading words with me. Click on Next.
Next. At.
Excellent. Well done. Try next.
To.
Please click on me and read loudly.
So if you cannot listen, he will ask you to read loudly. As.
Incorrect. It is as. Click next. You can
So
try later.
when you are talking, you have to see that you are not talking anything else. You have to only read the above words. Otherwise, it will say incorrect. So we'll try to read again. As.
Excellent. Well done. Try next.
Okay. I'll go back and I'll show you another app also. Here you will get all the different pointers. You can check the app. I'll go back. I'll show you another app. Once you have downloaded Phonics Circle Test app, it will ask you to log in with your mobile number. So if you are a new user, it will ask you to enter mobile number, and if you have logged out, for logging again, it will ask you for a mobile number. So I will enter my mobile number here. Once you have entered, it will verify your mobile number. It will ask you for to browser. You can click on Chrome. And it will give you an OTP screen. You can enter your. Once verified, the app will open. Okay. Now I will show you how this basic phonics test work. Click on it. Click on CVC test, vowel A.
Let's start CVC test of short vowel A. Click next.
Click next. Cat. It has to listen properly. If it is not listening.
Incorrect. It is cat.
When you are talking to elephant, you have to see that you are only saying the word written above. Otherwise it will show
Incorrect.
error.
It is cat. Click next. You can try later.
You can click on the elephant again. Cat.
Excellent. Well done. Try next.
So once it listens correctly, it will tell you to go next. Bag.
Excellent. Well done. Try next.
So this is how it works. If it doesn't listen, you can click on the elephant again to repeat the word again. Bag.
Excellent. Well done. Try next.
Okay. Now we'll try another test. So there is another sight words test. You can roll this up and down. Suppose you want to go for test 2, you have to roll this up in front of the arrow and click here.
Let's start sight words test 2. Click next.
Do.
Please double click on me and speak loudly.
So it did not hear what you say. So you have to click here again and then click here. Do.
Excellent. Well done. Try next.
So if you pronounce properly, it will tell you excellent. Find.
Excellent. Well done.
So
Try next.
this is how you have to read the text written above. This is how kids can learn reading word by word. Sight words, CVC words. Then now you can play with vowels. You want to learn vowels, you want to understand vowels again, so you can
Let's practice vowels.
now you can practice vowels here. I am unable to turn my mobile because I'm taking video. So when you are using this app, you can turn your mobile. I'll just show you how it works. You click on this. So it will give you the short vowel sounds. E for egg, and it will show you the picture here.
E, O, O, E, O,
And long vowel sound is
E, I, O, U.
so if you click double time, it will utter the sound 2 times.
I,
So if you suppose you press it 2 times,
A,
it will repeat the sound 2 times. This is how you will understand, get familiar with short vowels and long vowels, the difference between short vowels and long vowels. So children will learn easily. And now vowel digraph. What is vowel digraph? Vowel digraph is
Let's practice more long vowels.
long vowels with 2 vowels, blending with 2 vowels. AI, how it sounds. AI says A, and AI is used in the word train. So it is shown here, double E. E. There is double E in sheep. Okay. Then EA also says E, but it is used for eagle. EAGL, eagle. This is how your kids will become familiar with the vowel lessons. Then drag vowels.
Let's practice more long vowels.
So the problem here, I have not moved this up. To drag vowel, you have to move up. Drag vowels.
Drag
Now,
long and short vowels
you
in
will
the
get
circle.
pictures here. And cycle, CY, sigh. So what is it? It is short vowel or long vowel? I think short vowel.
Oh ho, move it to long
Oh,
vowel.
I did wrong. It's a long vowel.
Very good. It's a
So
long
this is
vowel.
how your children
Cycle.
will learn cycle is long vowel, because CY sound is sigh, I. You know, it's Y is says I. It's a blending vowels. Cat is short vowel. A says A.
Very good. It's a short vowel. Cat.
Okay, this is how the words can be identified by the kids. Now next we will try vocabulary test. Vocabulary test, like you will have various different types of pattern and group of words that are coming in these topics. Like for transportations, if I click transport, you will
Match
get
transport
different types of
vocabulary.
transport. So here, what is this? So this is what?
Try again.
It is not a carriage, it is boat.
Good. It's
So it will
boat.
tell it is good, yeah. And you will earn score over here 5. Then what is this? This is train.
Good. It's train.
So if you do one mistake, then you will get only 5, and if you do right, then it is 10. So this is like helicopter.
Good.
So
It's
this is how you will
helicopter.
score the marks. Next we will try dictation. So suppose kitchen.
Hi.
So-
Write spelling and click on me to check.
So you can write the spelling here and then click on the elephant to check whether your spelling is right or wrong. So let's start with click next.
Kettle.
This is kettle. So you have to write the spelling of kettle.
K.
Or if you put double K, then backspace. K E
E.
double T
T.
L
L.
E.
C.
Oh, let's see. E.
E.
Now click on this.
Kettle. Excellent. Well done. Try next.
Okay. Then you go next.
Oven.
It will show you another picture. Then write the spelling and click on the elephant to check the spelling whether it is right or wrong. Next we will see how the reading test works. Mom and her son. So I will
Hi.
show you.
Let's read.
There are so many stories.
Hi. Let's read.
How many stories are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stories are there.
Hi.
So-
Let's read sentences.
You have to press start listening. Okay, stop. I have to press.
Please
first.
double-
Next. Now start listening. Mom and her son.
Very good.
So if you read it correctly, it will tell you very good. Now, mom has a son. His name. Okay, I have to start. Mom has a son. His name is Dan.
Very good.
So if you read correctly, it will say very good. So this is how it works. If you want to repeat again, you can click on this replay
Please
button
click next.
and it will start from the beginning. And similarly, you have to press on start button and then read these words. If you don't read it right, then it will give you error. So you have to stop listening. When you press start listening, it will write all the words, whatever you're talking. So stop it when you're not reading this sentence. So go back. So this is how it will be helping your kids to learn reading, spelling and everything. So I'll suggest please download Phonics Circle test. If you are in India, you can buy it with just paying through GPay or PhonePe or Google Pay. And if you are outside India, then you can use PayPal and pay the amount and purchase this app. Thank you for listening to this. Thank you once again.